So I'm going to demonstrate the photo capture mode of the CCTV camera. And in this mode, so you might want this mode if your SD card's a bit slow and you can't really capture video at the resolution you want to capture it. So you're prepared to throw away a lot of the frames, but you want like high resolution images. So you might want an image every second or every several seconds. And in this mode, you can you've still got the web interface. So you can go to that, and it will show you whatever's in front of the camera at the time. So I can click on refresh. And it's quicker to refresh because it's only downloading like the latest image, which is on the camera. And then to do the time-lapse stuff, there's a couple of scripts. So one is to download the images, and you put in the IP address of the camera, and then you put the specification of the files to download, and it's prefixed with a date because the image capturing for the Raspberry Pi, the utility you use, it starts off from 0 each time. So if after a few days you had to reset your camera, or it restarts itself for any reason because of power cycle, it would start overwriting the original files again. So I've prefixed it with a date that it started to record on, to prevent that from happening. You put your wildcards in there. So so I'm downloading all the images for numbers 6000, and download them there. Then once they're downloaded, there's a utility which I'll use, a script that I've written to rename them all like sequentially from 1, and then it uses AVConv to create a time-lapse image. So, and that is time-lapse, and all you have to do is put in the number of the first image that you downloaded, and then it will sort everything out from there for you. Oops. Oh, and the date, because it needs to know the date of the file. So there it is, renaming all the images and creating the time-lapse video. And it places this time-lapse video and all the images, the utilities place it in a directory called temp, which is under where you are currently. And then after it's created this time-lapse video, I'll just show you it playing in VLC. So you can use VLC, and it's called time-lapse. And there it is playing through the time-lapse video that I created with the images that were downloaded.